Ether is close to its merge, as we all know, but there are some interesting things going on with it and other Ethereum coins. What is happening and what does it mean? Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out. Hi there and welcome to Ethereum Altcoin News. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and also to watch till the end. The value of the currency that was created by the Ethereum PoW fork has decreased by more than half in the previous week. On the other side, Ethereum had a productive week compared to other cryptocurrencies. As a result of Ethereum's switch to proof of stake, there have been a few requests made for a proof of work fork. However, the currency associated with this fork does not appear to be performing particularly well. The value of the Ethereum PoW or IOU coin has decreased by more than 50% in the space of less than a week, which is an indication that there does not appear to be much demand for it. At first, it seemed as though the token was getting some steam, but it is obvious that it has lost a significant amount of its momentum. The Ethereum PoW or IOU token can only be traded on IOU markets at this time, and it might not be possible to move it between different exchanges. On social media, there was a significant amount of conversation around the fork and the token. Any optimism that has been extinguished as a result of the stock's market value falling by 51% from its all-time high of $141. The price of Ethereum, on the other hand, has been performing quite well recently, as seen by a rise of about 14% in the previous week. This increase was driven by encouraging news surrounding by the merge. At the time of going to print, one Ether was worth $1,910. By the way, did you know about this? Let us know in the comment section down below. Because it has provided them with a significant amount of wealth, miners are enthusiastic about the prospect of Ethereum's mining version being maintained. The shift to proof of stake will have a negative impact on the income of a wide variety of mining firms. A large number of cryptocurrency firms hold conflicting opinions about the potential PoW split of Ethereum. Despite this, the creators of Ethereum PoW are putting in a lot of effort to make their concept a reality. The firm is led by a Chinese miner who is in charge of a staff of 60 different developers. The final merge of Ethereum should take place on the mainnet within the next month, and the occasion is one that is eagerly anticipated. It will be one of the most significant events to take place in Ethereum's history, and the price of the Ethereum token has been positively influenced as a result of it. Vitalik, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, has recently shared his thoughts on the merging and the hard fork. Buterin stated that the event held in Seoul, South Korea, that he does not anticipate a fork to have much of an influence, and it would appear that this assumption has been fulfilled thus far. A few days ago, the merge finished the final test it was running on the Gurley testnet. The announcement caused a 12.6% increase in the price of Ethereum. On the other hand, the Ethereum currency known as Ethereum Classic is now gaining momentum. It has been a prosperous moment for holders of Ethereum Classic, as the price of the cryptocurrency has increased by more than 150% in the last month. The growth of ETC may be traced back to the price increase of Ether, since the two cryptocurrencies have a statistically strong positive association with one another, especially considering that the value of Ethereum rose by more than 65% within the aforementioned time period. At the moment, one ETC can be purchased for $43.81. According to statistics provided by CoinMarketCap, the price of the alternative cryptocurrency was $14.8 1 month ago. ETC's Relative Strength Index or RSI and Money Flow Index or MFI have both been consistently climbing upward over the past month, indicating considerable accumulation that has taken place. At the time of going to press, the RSI of the token was estimated to be 72.90, while its NFI was located at 77. Comment Ethereum Army if you believe this is important. Around the 29th of July was when the trading volume of the ETC network was at its highest. The alt saw daily trading volume highs of 4.4 billion, 4.39 billion, and 4.74 billion correspondingly during the 27th and 29th of July. However, after reaching its peak on July 29, trading activity on the network decreased by more than 75% and was estimated to be 995.99 million at the time of the writing. In addition, according to Messari, the quantity of ETC tokens it addresses that have a balance of more than $10 million has increased significantly over the course of the past 30 days. Before a month had passed, each of these addresses possessed a total of 69 million ETCs. As of the time this article was written, this group of whales owned more than 97 million ETCs, despite having grown by more than 40% in the preceding 30 days. These whales have not been discouraged as they have stepped up their accumulation despite the price volume divergence that began to emerge towards the end of July. In addition, there was a rise in the total number of one-of-a-kind addresses that were in use on the network over the preceding month. The number of active addresses on ETC's network increased by 8% in the past month, reaching a figure of 26,843 on the 13th of August. At the time of this video, there are a total of 2,433,746 addresses available on the network. Over the course of the past month, both the hash rate and the average difficulty of mining on the split network have increased significantly. Since the 14th of July, both the hash rate and the mining difficulty on ETC's network have increased by corresponding amounts of 80% and 43%. In addition, ETC's Sharp ratio reached 7.83, having increased by more than 900% over the course of the previous month. This was a hint that the alternative cryptocurrency was delivering investors rewards that were above and beyond the danger that it offered to its holders. It is not apparent what will happen to the ETC network in light of the recent discussions on a potential further split of the existing Ethereum network, particularly in the event that users continue to split their attention between the Ethereum Proof-of-Work network and the new Ethereum Proof-of-Stake network. Do you agree that this is good news? If yes, then make sure to like this video. Additionally, there is additional data that Ethereum that is intriguing. The level of activity on the Ethereum network has dropped to its lowest point in the past 5 years, and as the number of contracts deployed on the chain has decreased and fallen below 300,000 deployments, while remaining at around 2.7 million in July 2021. This drop in activity coincides with the fact that the number of contracts deployed on the chain has decreased. The overall crisis in the industry brought on by the lack of inflows and the upcoming fundamental update that may have caused a calm before the storm are the two factors that are linked to the precipitous drop in the number of contracts that have been released on the chain in such a short amount of time. The surge in the number of contracts that were deployed over the summer of 2021 served as the impetus for the rally that came close to pushing Ethereum beyond the $5,000 threshold. This level continues to serve as the ultimate objective for the cryptocurrency that is now ranked in second place. A time of exceptionally high fees disincentivize developers and produce a stalemate with no new solutions coming on the network, which is one of the primary reasons behind such a significant decline in the number of deployed solutions on the network. Will merge be able to repair it? After the merge, it is highly likely that we will see an increase in the number of new applications and network activity on Ethereum. This is because new development tools and an improved network environment should attract more companies that will look for opportunities to invest in the new version of the network that is currently the second largest in the digital asset industry. What do you think about Ethereum's future? What do you think about Ethereum Classic? Let us know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Let us know your thoughts on Ethereum in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Please kindly take note that Ethereum Altcoin use is no financial advisor.